Hi, I'm Julie Hammond. I'm the director of Anatomy Trains Australia and New Zealand and co-founder of Balancing the Diaphragms. And I'm excited to announce that I'm going to be presenting on another online dissection live stream with the amazing Todd Garcia and Melanie Burns. In this dissection, we are going to look at the respiratory diaphragm and the fascial and functional connections above and below. We're going to look at the anatomy of the breath and how structure informs function and dysfunction creates more structural change. So, how common postural patterns can change the zone of apposition of the diaphragm, so the domes of the diaphragm and its excursion ability. And then what we can do in clinical practice, whether through manual or movement, to assist this and create more fluidity and adaptability. We're also going to be looking at one of my personal favorites, so the hyoids and the larynx and the fascial connection into the respiratory diaphragm, and how restriction and movement of respiratory diaphragm is going to affect this area, but also how problems in the throat will also affect movement of the respiratory diaphragm. I feel that anatomy books don't do justice to the respiratory diaphragm. And once you've seen it in a dissection, it completely changes the way you think about it. You get an understanding of how fluid it is, and it will change the way you treat your clients, how you assess their movement. So join me on the 5th and 6th of September to take a deep dive into this amazing anatomy.